This is a surprise miniature package that I got from the Mini M Club. I am sharing it as I open it. I'm so excited. I'm pretty sure there's going to be kits and projects inside. So the bad news is there's a little bit of a dent on the side of the package, but I quickly open it and I think everything is going to be okay. It looks like everything is in plastic bags and pretty well cushioned. So the first thing I'm going to take out is this white box. And it is a kit from the House of Miniatures Company. It's a desk. It looks like a fold out on the top desk. Oh my gosh, can't wait to do that one. Chippendale front desk from 1750. And then I'm going to take this next package, or big Ziploc bag. It looks like it has a lot of things in here. And got to figure out how to open it. I know I can do it. There we go. So, oops. Okay, so I'm grabbing a lot of things here. This, it looks like a quilt stand. It is, and it's got little pieces of fabric on here in coordinating purple. That is just cute. So I have a little quilt stand with some little quilts on it. Oh, that one must have come off. We'll put it back on there. Okay. That's going to go good in my little prairie house. And then a high back bench with a soft little cushion. That's old fashioned too. That's just cute. And then a nice rug. Oh, a little fuzzy on there. That's a pretty color. I like the colors in there, the tans. What else? Oh my gosh, that's cute. I've got a little toucan bird. I'm sure I'll figure out something for that. And then, oh my gosh, is that a little spinning wheel? Let me put the bag out of the way. Oops, wait a minute. A little bird. Another little dove with flowers. That's cute. Two birds. Okay, so a spinning wheel definitely would go in my prairie house. The wheel turns. Wow. Definitely cute. I could add like a little thing of wool with that. And what else? So a little cake. This looks like somebody made the cake. Okay, I've got to see, did they make the little dimples on the side of the cake so it looks, yes, they did. So it's a little chocolate cake. Oh, that looks delicious. Mm-hmm. Can never have enough little cakes. Then that's made from clay, it looks like. And a little newspaper. And then a little wood shelf. Can never have enough shelves either. Okay, where am I going to put that? All right. What's the next thing? All right, one of those cute little pouches. Bunch of little stuff are in there. A tiny Christmas tree, one of the bottleneck or bottle brush little Christmas trees. And then, oh, what is that? Oh, it's kind of heavy. It's kind of a metal heavy thing. Kind of looks like a battery, but it's not. It's a little Pringles can. And then a metal lid. Oh, that's cute. And then a little card. It has words in there. Peace, love, and joy. And then a little Mother Goose book. Oh my gosh, there's really little pages in there. Oh, that's so cute. Love it. And then a Merry and Bright sign. That's cute. It's kind of like Christmas in July, maybe. All right, so I've got this another little package. Bag bag, and it's got another little green pouch in it, and that is it almost looks like a miniature cereal box from the old-fashioned days. It is a breakfast food Ralston box. It looks like a nice label put around a little wood box, rectangle. A miniature house for maybe decoration to hang on a tree. Another one that says joy. Cute. Oh, it's got a little thing on the end. Trying to stand it up. And now what? What's the next thing? Okay, this is a kit to make a sled. So you get, sorry about my hands there, you get the sled instructions by S&S Arts and Crafts. And then there's is it a toboggan or sled? Toboggan, I guess. And then you've got the wood pieces to cut out. Okay, that will be fun. That will be fun. I can't wait. Okay. Oh, I can't wait. What's the next thing? Let me see. So 2 cute cocktail sticks with a little gingerbread and a Christmas tree. I'm sure I could find something for that too. And what is this? Some more wood pieces. Looks like little fences. And another little baggie. And so 2 pieces of fencing. Okay, always use that. That's great. And what else? There's a little, what is this? Piece of clay? Oh, and there's a little flower pot, so you can put that in there before you put the flowers. That's always good. And of course, popsicle sticks and cocktail sticks or stirring sticks. Never can have enough of those. I love those. Maybe I'm supposed to make a fence out of that. I'll take the challenge. And now what's the next thing? Let me see. Okay, so this baggie has a kit in it. Stone bead wire tree. Okay. I like the paper plate in there to catch all those little beads. That's a good idea. And the wire looks kind of pre-cut. That's going to make it easier. So those are some stones to put on this tree. I think I've seen something like this before, so this will be fun. I like it. I guess I should read the instructions first and see what's on that. I wonder if that big stone is what you put the tree on. All right, let's see what the instructions say. It was a project. Okay. Tells you the materials that you need and how you put it together, twist them together. Okay, so there's 2 sets on the diagram. That'll work. Okay, so it is kind of like what I'm thinking. So you must twist it around and put your stones at the end of each branch. Okay, that will be another fun project. I think I might need some special glue for that. Let me see. Yep. I think I have 2 more little bags to go through. What is this one? It looks like, I don't know yet. Can't guess. So one bag's got a bunch of brown, looks like a brown bag with some strips in it. What is this? A plastic tub with, oh my gosh, that's a really good idea. Is that masking tape? I can get that open. Oh my gosh, already cut out little strips for me. Oh my gosh, that's great. And keep them, sealed in I like that, in a plastic container. I've never seen that before. That's a good idea. And then there's ribbon. Got a navy and cream dot ribbon. What else is in here? So containers. I've got a medicine bottle and a round wood dowel, like a little box. Oh, there's a wood square dowel. Okay, so what's the project? Of course, I look at all the fun stuff first before I read the directions. Let me see what the directions say. Okay. It is a brown bag basketry. Oh my gosh, so that's what you make the brown bag strips from. And they gave us some forms, circle shape and square shape, and the instructions. So you must put the strips over the form, and then you use the masking tape. I'm guessing, you guys, I'm not reading this, and hold it down. And maybe the ribbon goes around the top edge. Oh, there's a little toothpick in there. Gosh, we got everything to do this. Okay, that's cute. I don't think I've done anything like that before. I love the strips of masking tape in that container. That's a great idea. I have one more little baggie here, and I think I know what this is. That's why I've kind of trying to hold it off for last. I think it's a challenge bag. I'm just going to call it that, but it looks like it's just a bag of things that maybe we might be able to use, or see if you can make something out of it. So there's a little clear plastic cup, a little birdhouse, a wood birdhouse, a little piece of wood, wire, thin wire, and let me see, this is a little pipette thing. I think you could cut that into little jars or something, or use it as a pipette, but that looks like a jar thing to me. Piece of paper, a heavier piece of wire, a plastic spoon. Okay, that's got me puzzled. And a little bit of sand, maybe? That's good. And then a pencil eraser, plastic cap, maybe another jar thing, and a little purple container. It looks like it's a cap to like a pencil or a crayon. I could make it a canister or another jar. Well, thank you to the Mini M Club. I'm so happy with all those projects and kits. I cannot wait to get started. So after getting that little challenge bag, it made me go back to my tub. I have a tub of miscellaneous things that either people have given me or else I look at and I wonder, is it something I can do something with, including these little plastic pieces and little containers that are clear, of course, caps off of bottles. I think this is some kind of a strainer thing. I do like caps, and I especially like the little water bottle caps. I use that a lot for glue or paint or flocking stuff. And this is something that really got me into miniatures, are seeing those little coffee and cream cups. I use them a lot, or little plastic things. That one I spray painted brown. And of course now we don't need keyboards anymore, so you can use those little key things to make pottery or plants. It's just a cute little shape there. And then of course baby bottles you can get in the party stores, Twisties, other little caps. I think Queen City Miniatures use that little green cap for the bottom of a Christmas tree. Then those clear bottles you can get at the $1.25 store. I think it had sparkles in it. And then little plastic parts of pens to make cups from. I think it's similar to that purple one that was in the challenge bag. And then of course beads, and this is Christmas lights that are on top of Christmas lights, the purple, white, and the blue. And then necklaces and chains. This is from a perfume bottle. The top kind of looks like a pan base, something from a creamer or some kind of a top. The golf tee. I have tons of those in wood too. And this looks like a little slinky almost. I forget what that little red thing is for. These used to be from Floppy Disk. I use them for pizza pans. And of course, toothpaste tops. I remember using those as a kid for little lamps and things. And then more little plastic bits. And sometimes I have to think about what I could maybe use it for. And then some more little keys. And they're just little circles. A perfume bottle top. I think that's a hair curler thing I thought I could do something in the garden with. But whenever I see those coffee creamer things and the toothpaste tubs, that just reminds me of when I was younger. Another thing is somebody that does quilts. If they have smaller size pieces, they can give them to you, or someone who wants to get rid of some paint that they use for a one-time craft project. Those are all great to use for minis. I hope you enjoyed my mini surprise package with all the kits and projects. Thank you so much for watching.